The Oppo Enco W11 is a pair of truly wireless stereo earphones that Chinese Oppo smartphone maker has recently launched in India and is now available in the Middle East market. The Enco W11 appears to be a pair of headphones in a budget TWS segment. But how is it like a complete product? Let's find out in this video. Hey guys, I'm Manish and you're watching Tech and Spice. If you end up liking this video, then please subscribe to the channel. I have more interesting videos coming up for you. Now let's get started. Now let me take you through the unboxing experience. The W11 comes in a small oval-shaped charging case with the Oppo branding on the center. Open it and you are going to find the tiny earbuds sitting in their different magnetic slots. They come in a single white color option that looks glossy and feels decent. The cover case has a LED light and a USB Type-C charging slot, which makes it easy for earbuds to be fueled and kept secure while charging. It is made of plastic with a hinge and a lightweight frame that makes you wonder they could crack easily or split into two pieces if they are not handled with care. Fortunately, the earbuds are robust and can rest comfortable between your ears. They appear to have one size fit design, which means that they are likely to fit firmly into your ears regardless of the shape of your ears. I was fascinated by the way I could walk, run, work out or even sleep without fear of falling off these buds. We have here the high responsive touch sensitivity gesture system that allows you to pause music with a single tap and skip double tap tracks. You can also activate your mobile voice assistant with touch controls. Also, they have the IP55 dust and water resistance. I will not suggest you to take that while you are swimming or in the heavy rains. Once you have put these earbuds on with some music, you won't hear the world. They offer great noise cancellation and can allow you to isolate from outside noise, even in crowded areas. As far as is sound concerned, they are fantastic and maybe slightly better than other budget-centric wireless earbuds. I turned to some Hollywood and Indian songs and enjoyed listening to all of them. But the issue began as I turned for electronic music or a punchy bass song. Raising the volume to 80 or full, there was less clarity and low sound quality. But hold on. For the price, they aren't bad at all. They are great for the quality and they are great for listening to music every day or for casual use. You will be satisfied with its sound performance and overall experience. The buds work pretty well in terms of consistency of call. You can manage your daily indoor calls, but when you are out on the roads, they are not going to reduce the background noise and give you a good call experience. With a strong build quality, the battery, the connectivity are the outstanding aspects of the Enco W11. In my experience, they could last for almost 15 hours with a charging case and for about 4.5 hours with a single charge. When completely drained out, the buds can back up in about 2.5 hours, which is not bad considering the backup of the battery they provide. As far as the networking is concerned, all Oppo and non-Oppo smartphones can be linked via Bluetooth without any problems. As soon as they are pulled from the case, they will automatically connect to your phone. You don't have to go through the process of matching them with your phone every time. Do it once and they'll automatically take care of the rest of it. I didn't face any problems at all, but after they have been lying out of their charging case for a long time, they get disconnected and need to keep back and taken out to be matched with the phone again. Enco W11 retails at Bahraini dinars 19,990 in a single white option in Bahrain. Oppo appears to have concentrated more on creating the consistency and the ergonomic nature of these earbuds and has managed to pull it off extremely well. So that's why I strongly recommend buying Enco W11 if you are looking for a wireless earbuds for your long exercise sessions, runs, or regular music listening experience. These also offer a great deal of noise cancellation and long-lasting battery life at a great value, making them an outstanding earbuds. Nevertheless, these earbuds are not for the best choice for gaming fans. Some days ago, I have made a video about the unboxing and the in-depth review of the Oppo Enco W31. If you missed to watch that, I have put the links in the I button also in the description below. So that's it from me today. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Until then, this is Manish and you're watching Tech and Spice. See you.